Drying it in the wet dock. Here we go. Right, well, she floats. Listing to one side a little bit. And so I've put the battery to the right hand side and it looks to have balanced it up a lot better. Well, I suppose we best try the transmitter now. Transmitter says yes. Switch on the boat. No, rudder. The ESC is working. Now I know the rudder, or the servo for the rudder is faulty. But steerage, whoa! And it's driving forward, look at that. It's its first sail. And touch. Next test, I'm just going to increase the neutral point trim for the speed control, see what happens. Hear it clicking away. Oh, it's in reverse. Okay. Right, done the reverse switch on the transmitter. Power on. Servo still the same. Right, just increase the neutral point on the transmitter, the trims. See what happens. Oh, and she sails. Those clicks of the transmitter. Trim. Oh, I'll try that again. Right, just going to park it there and try the throttle stick. No, full forward anyway. And we've got reverse. Right, well, that a success, and I don't see any water inside the hull, so that's good.